That's a cinema camera hanging off the back of a Toyota Camry going 50 miles per hour. What's up guys? Today we're filming with the Tilta Alien Hydra car mounting system. We're gonna be mounted up to my buddy Tim's Camry, and we're gonna be shooting rollers of my Little Mazda Miata on the highway. So stay tuned, let's get started. Matt, show them the case quick.
So this is the case for the Tilta Hydra.
No, like the cover, let's see it. Wow. Woo! That graphic is really awesome.
I mean, it's a Mac Daddy case.
Yeah, and it's got wheels on it too, doesn't it?
It's got wheels. This thing's ready to transport, baby.
Wheels and vents. This is the adapter for the for it to pair with your DJI. And this gets powered from a V-mount battery too.
Yeah.
That's actually really nice. Woo!
How's it going over there, Tim?
Good.
You figuring it out?
Figuring it out.
There's our model.
What's up?
Okay, so now he's hooking up the HDMI so that he can see this display in his car.
Yep.
So Tim, did you have to buy anything to make this system work other than what came with it?
Yeah,
Obviously you have your camera, you have your gimbal, you have your V-mount batteries, you have this long ass HDMI cord, you have the controller, anything else?
I don't know. Other than that, that's a lot of stuff, right there.
That is a lot of stuff. There you are. Now close the door, close the door. Let's see how Matt fits.
Dude, I broke my knee.
Look at that. Hold on. This is the angle we need to see. He's gonna drive above the car.
Dude, I fit perfectly in this thing.
That's great, man. You look like a clown in that thing, dude.
Great, actually.
What's going on with this? What's going on?
Oh, my expired tags. County Police Department, please come arrest me.
Right,
That actually wasn't that bad.
Run into my Integra.
Well, we have a backup cam. We're good.
Oh yeah, you
Oh,
can
Tim
see
has
it.
a backup camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
This thing's a 2018 Camry, dude. Show some respect.
Yeah.
Put some respect on his name. Let's try to do it again. I'll come over the other side and you're gonna come back. Because it's hard to control everything, so there's a little bit of a lag.
It's just a controller lag.
This is crazy.
All right, so we got you. Let me know when you're ready. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready. Oh shit.
Yeah, stay there, Tommy. Stay there, stay there. Oh shit. These cars hate us.
Yo, I'm about to get fucking rear ended.
I know, these cars hate us.
now. Gas is $3.29. It's nice.
Check out that rig.
All right, let me ask you guys, first impressions, how is this so far?
Dude, we got some sick shots.
Tim,
Fire.
first impressions?
Fire.
Fire, are you enjoying the whole Tilta setup?
Yeah.
That's good. The ecosystem with the DJI and everything's working well?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
We have a little bit of lag happening with the remote, so it makes it hard. I can see it's definitely not super simple, but I think we can get that ironed out.
Very cool.
And driving is terrifying.
Oh yeah, driving on
With
my
all
end
the
is
traffic,
terrifying
it's
too.
terrifying. Because it's not
It's
my
on there.
car, it's not my camera, and it's not my rig.
Pretty well.
All right, we got ready to keep moving, or what are we doing? All right.
Go back.
Okay, so now that you saw how amazing this product is, maybe you want to see exactly what comes in the box and how it works. First, we have the high capacity shock absorbing arm, or what they call the Hydra arm. This is a payload capacity of 7.5 kilograms or 16.5 freedom units. I'm talking pounds. It's mounted on Tilta's fast and steady car mounting system that utilizes an enhanced triangle. And we know triangles are pretty tough. They use these high-end suction cups. One of them can support up to 110 pounds. So you could technically hang a small child off of it, but I don't recommend or condone that. With this setup, you get 3 methods of shock absorption. First, you have the Hydra arm. Then you have this little dampening plate. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's stiff as hell. Lastly, you have your gimbal attachment that also provides some shock absorption. It seems that this one is compatible with DJI gimbals, but maybe it works with other ones too. I'm not 100%. Today we used the rear corner mounting, but I pulled these photos from Tilta's site so you can see all the options. I'm sure there are other ways you could mount this too. If you found this helpful and want to support my channel, I included an affiliate link in the description to purchase from Amazon. And lastly, I want to say that I just had a tremendous amount of fun on that day. There's something special that happens when a couple of guys get together and work as like a unit. This will be one of those days that you just don't forget. So if you're thinking about buying this car mounting system, just remember that you're gonna need a couple of buddies to actually make it work. And if you're lucky, you might end up going to get some Chinese food afterwards. Now, I didn't record any videos at the Chinese restaurant, but I did keep the fortune. And this one says, aim for success, not perfection, which ended up being applicable to this day because I wouldn't say things were perfect, but it was definitely a success. So if you like this video, tell me about it in the comments and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.
Me versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
I'm the guy.
You're the guy.
Oh my god. I just ruined your shot. Dude, I can get some videos of your rims. Turn your wheel. No, all the way. No,
The other way. Straighten it.
Oh, the other way?
There you go. Oh yeah.
Wow. Look at those reps.
It's a good thing you clean those tires.
They're not reps, bro.
I know how to make you upset, Tom. They're not reps. Easily trolled. What is he doing?
What?
It's just funny. He's like, puts the whole camera up the roof.
Yeah, I mean, just put this $5,000 camera out the window.
Dude, we literally have $5,000 worth of cameras just hanging off the car.